how to get free virtual credit card with no verification. Hello guys and welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we will be talking about how you'll be able to get your own free virtual credit card. Now, we will be talking about a specific platform where you will be able to get it, and this platform is called YouMoney. Creating an account in YouMoney is very straightforward. You don't need to give too much information. And after you create your account in YouMoney and after logging in, you will be able to receive your virtual credit card right away, as you can see here on the right side. So when I click on View Details, we will be redirected to this page over here where you will be able to see your virtual credit card. You will be able to view your card number, CVV, and valid through over here. There's also a name on card over here. You will be able to see the different important settings for your virtual credit card, the different settings as well, and the price over here. And that's it guys, that is how you will be able to get a free virtual credit card. Hope you enjoyed the video, leave a like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.